In today's video I'm going to share some tips on how to pronounce the sound and stick until the end when I'm going to show you why it's so important not to confuse pão with pau. Oi pessoal, it's Fernando here from Portuguese.com, where I help learners to communicate more effectively and get fluent faster. One of the hardest things for students of Brazilian Portuguese is to learn how to pronounce the sound But with a bit of practice we can get there. Let's start. Although the sound is just one syllable, for the purpose of practicing we need to look at the two different sounds that will merge into one. The first thing you need to do is to practice the sound Say the English word sun out loud. Now try and isolate that sound and repeat it a few times. Sun, Now let's move on to the second sound we need to be aware of. Say the word zoom out loud. Now try and isolate the sound and repeat it a few times. Okay, now all we have to do is to merge these two sounds, the sound and the sound Now let's practice it with the word pão, which means bread. Start with the English word pun. Say it a few times and try and isolate the p sound. P. Now add the sound that we learned and you've got pão. Now I've chosen this particular word, pão, because if mispronounced it can sound like pau, which means a piece of wood and also a slang for, yes, you guessed it. So be very careful when ordering pão in a bakery in Brazil because it might sound like you're ordering something else. So again, the difference between these two words, pão, pau. Pão, pau. Now let's practice with some other words. Não, chão, mão, Japão, limão. Now if you're watching this on YouTube, what I'd like you to do is to go over to my website where I wrote a blog post about this and where you find details of an Instagram challenge I'd like you to take part of. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel and I'll see you next time. Muito obrigado. Tchau, tchau.